Alright, my graphic designers all over the world, in Nigeria or in diaspora, gather here. Let's do some magic and simple designs. Alright, okay, this is just a quick one, and here I have the theme says you are anointed you are anointed to fly. Alright, so what do we do here? I have gotten my my background, which is this. This identifies flying. Like I told you in my previous class, that the title of your project matters when you are designing. So I'm only going to use fly as my main case, my major subject. All right, so this okay, this is my previous design, so let's go like this. All right, okay, so you drag this in, power clip. Okay, power clip that. Right, so then the next thing for us to do is to look for a good font. Right, so I'm using this fly. Then we go to text to change the case to title case. All right, page up. Okay, so worry about the anointed to pick this. Pick this. You are anointed to fly. Okay, it's as simple as that. So I just need to make this this background darker a bit. Okay, make it darker a bit. So how to make it darker? Just click on it and press your alternate B, then press OK. All right, then go to Effect, click on Adjust, then click on Auto Adjust. So it has been darkened a little bit. All right, so fly, let me make it pop out a bit by giving it shadow. Right, so I think this is giving me what I really want. Okay, you are anointed to fly. All right, so let me do it this way. Let me bring it this way. So I need to bold everything. You are anointed to fly. So this is distracting this. So what I need to do is to cut off this aspect from this L, letter L. So okay, so that is that. I've been able to give a way to that. Then the next thing is to get the dates, right? So I think the date is 20th July, right? 20th July. So 20th July. Okay. Then all I need to do here is to demarcate it a bit with this style. Okay, demarcate it, right? Bring this below. Okay, so worry about the next thing for us to do. That is the time. All right, 7 a.m. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Okay, 7 colon AL. Alright, I think this is it's better. Okay, so the address can come here. The address can come here. Right, the address can come here in white color. Okay, address can come here. I'm only teaching you guys the concepts or how to come up with a better concept when it comes to simple design like this. So, left alignment. Okay, so this we go with blue color, right? I think this is better. Then this can come down here. This can come down here. This will come down a bit. Right. I think blue is better. Okay, so let me change this. White. Alright. Okay. Okay. I think this is better. Flag. Let us see if we can use this color. Alright. I think this is also better. So let me bold it a bit. Press F12. Then let me use 4. Alright. Or let me use 6. No, 4. 4 is better. 4 is better, right? Okay. Let's adjust it. Okay. So all we need to do here is to change this to July. This is it. I have the template already. So what I'm teaching you guys is how to come up with a good concept. Right. So use black on the fonts July. Okay. 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 So just adjust it a bit. Alright. This is how you can come up with a fantastic, easy, eye-catchy design for social media, for churches, for any organization that requires this type of design. It's as simple as this. Like I told you, look for a background. So you can easily search that from the Google. Look for a background that depicts the title of your project. Again, look for a background that depicts the title of your project. Then make sure your color blend, matches with the background that you used. You can see the blue and the blue, the mixture of blue background I have, and you can see how I'm able to arrange it in a proper and better way. Okay, so even if I don't want to do it this way, I can as well bring this here. Let me just do this way. I can as well bring this here. Okay, can as well bring this here. Okay. Okay, yeah, just to balance it up, then bring this here. All right, bring this here. Okay, all right, then make sure this is centered. Make sure this is centered. Okay, and that is it. So if you are not pleased with this as well, I'm teaching you guys how to arrange and come up with very good arrangements. Okay, I can bring this here. Okay, bring this here, and that is it. That is it. You can see how I'm able to balance all this beautiful fly. So guys, I'll be expecting you in my next class. So before then, stay tuned, keep watching, and make sure you ask whatever question in the comment section. Bye for now. God bless you.